How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. In today's video, I'm doing another product review from Lasfit Automotive LED. As you saw from the previous video on Lasfit, they are a full sponsor of the truck now. So huge shout out to those guys. Thank you so much for your products and your hospitality and sponsoring the truck. It means the world to me. So today what we're going to be reviewing is the Lasfit Amber LED turn signals for my truck. There's two on each side. They sit right here and right here. I've got 4 of them. It's just one package of 2, and they're the amber color, so they're just going to be straight amber. They're not switchbacks or anything like that. So we're going to test these out. I'm going to show you how to install them. We're going to test them out and tell you what I give them my opinion on it. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so these are the products we're going to be installing on the truck. They're amber LED turn signals / running lights for my truck. They're a US brand, one year warranty. They have their DC 12 volts, non-polarity, new LED technology, much brighter than halogen, which I love, and USA customer support. Like I said, guys, they're a US company. They're fantastic. These look extremely high quality LEDs on these. I cannot wait to get them installed, so we'll move on to the installation. Alright guys, so we'll get started with this installation. All you gotta do to take these out, which these are aftermarket housings, link will be down in the description for the link to these. You just take out these 4 screws right here, pull it out, and then I'll show you how to undo your lights and take those out. Alright guys, so at this point what you got to do is there's these tabs back here. I can't angle them out more, but what you do is you kind of grab them and twist and they pop right out. See, there's one. See if it'll pop. Come on. Sometimes the gasket likes to stick a little bit. There's one. And then there's 2. So then just take your housing, put it down below somewhere. And on these, all you gotta do is twist them and pull them out, but make sure your gasket sits back down on the thing right, or you won't seal it right, and then water gets in there, and it's not a good situation. So just kind of turn these, pop them out, turn, pop out, and then you're good to go to install your new ones. Alright guys, so to put these back in, all you gotta do is on mine, there's 2 little slots right here. You place them in, then you just turn them like that and they'll snap right in. Same thing on this side. Just kind of push them in, turn, they'll snap right in. Make sure though when you check your connections, make sure they're clean, they're full of stuff. Some of these do have degreaser in them, or like there's an anti-water thing, which mine does have, so I had to clean a little bit out of it. But other than that, we'll turn them on and see how they look. Those are freaking bright. Holy crap. This is going to look really interesting on this truck. Alright, so now we're going to install the light, put it back together, and then I'll get the other side done because it's the same process on the driver's side as the passenger side, so I'm not going to film both. Same exact process on how to undo it, put the bulbs in, put the new ones in. So then we'll show you the final product and what it looks like. So to put these back in, it's kind of the same way you took them out. Just kind of line up your holes right here, turn them, they'll snap in. Same thing over here, turn them, you hear them snap in, and then you can tuck all your wires up and behind, place your LED, place them in. And what I recommend tightening these up is what you got to do is place it in, thread your screws in, and be very gentle when tightening these up. Don't over tighten them because you will break the housing on these. I've done it before. I got overexcited and tightened them up way too quick. So what I like to do is hand tighten it first. And on these got air vents on the bottom, guys. So you know which way is up and down when you see the air vent is down facing downward. That's what you want. because these LED lights, they do not have fans on them since they're a smaller LED light, but they still generate heat. So you want to make sure you can dissipate that heat as quickly as possible. All right, then just tighten them up with your screwdriver. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to go over do the other side. I'm not going to film that like I said because it's literally the exact same way you do this one. Just do it on your passenger side the same way, and then we'll show you the final product. Alright guys, so we're going to turn the lights on in 3, 2, 1. How do y'all like that? I missed this look. When I first got the truck, I had the old style of these lights, but in all honesty, I really do miss this look. So we'll do the flashers and show you how those work, and then we'll be good to go from there. Got it. Driver's side, and then passenger side. These look freaking awesome, guys, and they're actually really not that much brighter. Like, they're an LED, but when you're running these down the road, I can tell they're not gonna like obstruct your actual headlight. So we'll turn the headlights on here real fast and show you how that looks, and then we'll go off from there. So headlight. So as you can see, it gives a good contrast to like your turn signal / fogs, and then your actual headlights. So I actually really dig this look because it's more old school. Driving on this like kind of like a highway, I got the Lasfit low beams on. As you can see, the turn signal marker light, you can see a faint orange glow if you look really closely in the front of the truck, but it doesn't overpower the lights, which I like it a lot. So it gives it a good contrast, and I really like the way these lights are set up to where they are bright. Don't get me wrong, if I turn off my lights right now, you can totally see them, but they're not overpowering when you have your headlights or high beams on, which I like a lot too. Like I said, this is more condition of like an interstate driving / open highway driving with some street lights in it, and as you can see, perfectly good. The orange doesn't overpower the headlights to distract you or anything. So I really am liking these lights. My low beams on right now. We're on like a kind of a country road, and once I top this hill, make sure there's no cars coming, I'll switch over to the high beams. You can see what they look like with the high beams on. In 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it's a little bit more orange because my high beams throw more out than across like the low beams do. But again, it's not overpowering. You're not being really distracted by it. It's just a little bit more orange in the front of the truck. So we'll switch back to low right quick so you see the difference. As you can see, the lows go right back to normal the way it should be. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this install and review video. I want to thank Lasfit LEDs so much for sending me out these amber LEDs for my truck. Huge shout out to you guys. All the links are down in the description for Lasfit. Make sure you follow them, guys. They're now a sponsor of the K1500, like I said in the previous video, in the beginning of this video. They're an awesome company to work for. Cannot wait to have more products shipped out to me. Of course, I'll be giving you all the specs, and like my last video, I have a discount code. Link will be down in the description. If you want to get any products through them, you get 10% off your order through me, through my discount code. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing and changing and trying new and better things. Make sure you guys press the bell notification because a lot of you have been messaging me saying you're not getting my videos when they first come out. So please hit that bell. Like I said, please hit that like. It helps grow the channel, guys. Other than that, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.